Just by crumpling a small piece of aluminum foil, you can drive cockroaches completely out of your home. Hello, I'm Tracy. Whenever cockroach breeding season comes around, the kitchen area in my home starts welcoming some very uninvited guests. They appear suddenly, are extremely unpleasant, and also make many people worry about cleanliness and health. But I found a way to drive them away using just this one small ball of aluminum foil. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create this secret weapon to effectively repel cockroaches right at home. And don't leave just yet, because at the end of the video, I'll also share another method that's just as useful. Now, let's get started. First, prepare the bait to attract the cockroaches by adding 4 tablespoons of white sugar to a small bowl. Sugar works as a strong attractant. Cockroaches are naturally drawn to sweet smells, so this will lure them in without requiring any extra effort from you. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the bowl. Then use a spoon to mix the sugar and baking soda together until they are fully combined. Baking soda creates a very unfavorable reaction inside insects when they consume it. When cockroaches eat this mixture, the baking soda affects their internal system and helps eliminate them effectively. In some cases, it can also affect other unwanted insects, including certain types of spiders. After the sugar and baking soda are well mixed, there is another ingredient that can also take down cockroaches, and that is lemon peel. Take 1 lemon, and we will only use the peel, not the lemon juice. This is very important. Lemon juice contains liquid and acid that can disrupt the balance of the mixture, so make sure no lemon juice gets mixed in. Take a fresh lemon and use a fine grater to gently grate the yellow outer peel. Rotate the lemon slowly as you grate, stopping before you reach the white pith underneath. You will need about 1 tablespoon of finely grated lemon peel. This amount is just enough to create a fresh citrus scent that helps mask the smell of the baking soda, while also making the bait more attractive to cockroaches. Next, add the lemon peel directly into the bowl with the sugar and baking soda mixture. Then mix all the ingredients together until they are fully combined. The mixture should be dry, not wet. Keep the remaining part of the lemon because it will still be useful in the next method. Finally, add the toothpaste. You can use whatever toothpaste you have at home. Squeeze out about 2 to 3 centimeters of toothpaste and add it directly into the bowl. Then mix all the ingredients together well. The toothpaste plays a very important role here. It is especially effective at killing cockroaches because it does not only kill adult insects. When cockroaches carry this mixture back to their nest, the toothpaste helps destroy the eggs and damage the nest itself. The hardest part of dealing with cockroaches is not killing the ones you can see, but stopping them from reproducing. Cockroach eggs can hatch into large numbers in a very short period of time, which is why infestations often return so quickly. These ingredients help break that cycle. When everything is well mixed, your bait is now ready. Next, tear off a piece of aluminum foil that is an appropriate size. Aluminum foil has the ability to hold food smells, grease, and unpleasant odors very well. These smells linger around the foil and attract cockroaches to come closer without them realizing that danger is nearby. Take a small amount of the bait and place it right in the center of the aluminum foil. Gently fold the foil around the mixture and roll it into a small, compact ball, making sure the bait is completely wrapped inside. The aluminum foil helps keep the scent concentrated while also protecting the mixture from drying out. Next, use a fork to poke a few small holes around the aluminum foil ball. Because the mixture is dry, nothing will spill out through these holes. Cockroaches will be drawn in by the scent coming from the foil, They will use their antennae to reach through the small holes to grab the bait. After that, they carry the mixture back to their nest. Once inside the nest, the bait will take effect, helping eliminate not only the cockroaches but also their eggs. Now place them in the areas where cockroaches most often appear. Good locations include inside kitchen cabinets, under the refrigerator, near the stove, or along dark corners where food crumbs and moisture tend to collect. These are places where cockroaches feel safe and often travel through at night. After placing the traps, you don't need to touch them. Simply leave them in place and observe. Over time, the number of cockroaches will continue to decrease, and they will be much less likely to return and build new nests in those areas. Now let's move on to the second method, which focuses on repelling cockroaches using a simple lemon water solution. This method is easy to do, low cost, and very safe to use indoors. To prepare this solution, first reuse the lemons whose peels we grated earlier. Cut them in half and squeeze the lemon juice into a measuring cup. Next, add about 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water. Warm water helps the lemon scent spread more evenly and last longer. If you want to increase the effectiveness, you can also add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir until the salt is completely dissolved. After the solution is mixed, pour it into a clean spray bottle. You can use this spray in areas where cockroaches are commonly seen, such as kitchen cabinets, under the sink, around the refrigerator, near the stove, and along wall corners or cracks. The strong lemon scent will make these areas uncomfortable for cockroaches and cause them to stay away. Lemon water also helps remove grease, odors, and food residue, which are common reasons cockroaches are attracted to the kitchen. For best results, spray this solution 2 to 3 times a week. With regular use, this simple lemon solution helps keep your kitchen cleaner, fresher, and much less appealing to cockroaches. And that's all for today's video. With just a few simple ingredients, you now have 2 practical ways to deal with cockroaches in a more natural and safer way at home. These methods are very easy to do and help keep your living space clean without being disturbed by cockroaches anymore. I hope today's video was helpful for you, and please remember to hit the like button and share it with anyone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive more helpful home tips. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.